Tell him bye. Shan.
Yeah.
Tyler leaving.
Until next time, okay? Bye.
Ready to go? Bisous à papa. This is the last day of the We're actually taking them to the train station right now. Already dropped Helen to school. And it's time to go back to reality. It's time to go back to reality from all the weekend fun. You're gonna cry? I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you and Tony.
Middle of the street and you head to the
anyway, you guys,
1.2
say bye to Shan, you guys.
Bye guys. I love you.
Yes, and tell her to hurry up and come back and
We'll
see me.
definitely try.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll leave this.
Come, Tony, group out.
Alright, man. See you soon,
It
honey.
was good having you guys. Bye.
Take care.
Yes. Enjoy your sleep on the train. And get something to eat.
Will do.
All right. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. I am just waking up from a nap. Oh my gosh, can you guys tell how tired we must have been from this amazing weekend? I honestly had the best birthday weekend ever. Thanks to Babe and Chanel and Tony for making it extra special. Again, I can't stop talking how much fun I had this weekend. But now it's back to reality. Chanel is gone, Tony is gone, and Tyler is at school. Babe is here because Babe know that he would have been extra tired today. So Babe is home today. Babe is not going to work, but I have work later. However, we took a nap and now we are awake and hunting food. So I'm here making some food for us to grab on real quick before I head out to work. So I just want to come on and tell you guys to have a good day and to enjoy the rest of today's vlog and just stay positive in whatever it is that you're doing today. And if for some reason you have birthday in September, enjoy it and have a good one. I love you guys, and I'm going to go grab on some food right now. Babe, you want to say morning to the faves?
Morning, guys. Yeah.
Sleep face.
Oh, sleep face. I slept until almost after 11 today. So yeah, I was extra tired for the weekend, the driving and all of these things. So I'm here. I'm glad to have a day off. And yeah, gonna rest today. Gonna do all of the things that I'm supposed to do, but relax.
Yeah. You guys, I'm making dinner for the fam, and tonight dinner is gonna be filet mignon. That's what is here. I just cut them that we can go fast because time is running against me right now. And I have steamed veg under here, broccoli and carrots, and I cooked some corn to go with that. And then over here I have some quinoa. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack my dinner and then let Babe and Tyler to enjoy theirs. But yeah, that's dinner for tonight.
Looks good.
Yeah, very good. You take it out the right time. But I know the last time I cooked it, you like the sauce that I made it with. Do you remember when I cooked it for dinner last Sunday? So I'm going to put it back in the pot just for a second. Look how juicy. That looks so juicy. And just put some of the sauce on it. Steve Harvey would say this is what all the girls like to order when they go to the restaurant because it's the most expensive meat on the menu.
Which one?
Filet mignon.
Oh, okay.
And the sauce that I use is like a sesame barbecue. And that's it. Dinner's ready. Now I'm going to share mine and get out of here. And you can share Tyler on when he comes home later.
Yeah, will.
Looks yummy, right? Babe whispering to himself. Babe say, damn, that looks yummy. I want to eat it right now. Yes. Alright, when you get back, you can have yours. Boom! Mine is ready. Anyway, you guys, right now, baby's gonna drop me to work. But first, before he dropped me to work, my birthday present from baby's actually just coming in. So we need to go and pick that up first. And I'm excited to see them. So let's go pick up my gift.
Hi guys, and yeah, baby's off to work and I just get a little boy from school. Bonjour Tyler. How was school today? He's shy. Bonjour Tyler. Bonjour Tyler. Bonjour Tyler. How are you? You right? You playing cash cash? Alright, so Tyler is home. It looks like he's in a great shape. He just wants to play, so yeah, I'm gonna play a bit with him. I'm also gonna feed him because he's after 6. He's been at school until 6 p.m. So yeah, so he ate a little bit. So yeah, I'm soon gonna warm his food, gonna feed him and chill and play with him and get ready to get babe. So I hope you having a wonderful day because we're having a resting day. Tu veux dire quelque chose?
Oui.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux dire?
Je veux dire...
En anglais. En anglais. What you want to say in English?
I mean, eat at school.
You ate at school?
And eat at school.
What did you eat?
And eat the apple.
Apple?
Yes, the apple is the green.
Okay, what else?
The poisson.
Poisson, fish.
The poisson.
Okay.
Fish.
Was good?
And green beans.
And green beans. Oh, haricots verts.
Oui.
Waouh, c'est bien. Et t'as mangé concombre? Cucumber too?
Oui.
How was cucumber?
Green.
Oh, it was good?
Oui.
Okay, your mama to cook cucumber for you too?
Yes.
Okay. So when mama gonna see this vlog, she gonna cook cucumber for you next time, okay?
Okay.
So you're gonna have to eat it at home too.
Okay.
So what you gonna do now?
And
Are you hungry?
fly.
No. Are you hungry?
And pasta. And pasta.
So guess what mommy cook for you? Mommy cook quinoa. Quinoa and corn. You want corn?
Yes.
And carrot.
Yes.
And broccoli. You want broccoli?
Yes.
And she eats some nice meat.
Yes.
Okay. So you hungry now or you want to wait a bit?
Hungry.
Okay, so I'm gonna get your food ready. Hey guys, I am back home with the fam. My naked son is running in front of me. You naked? I went to, we actually was leaving out to go pick up my gift that I mentioned to you about earlier, and found out that the place that have it is closed today, so I have to pick it up in the week or on the weekends. Anyway, I am home and about to go give my baby a bath to put him down for the night, and yeah, get ready so you can get some rest for school. Faith can't see you right now, you're naked. Oh, there you are. Yes.
I'm going to take a bath.
You're going to take a bath?
Yes.
Okay, go get up off the dirty floor and go and take a bath. Who made sure say that too?
Don't caca on you. Don't caca on you.
Come, look at the face. See the face over there? Say notification shout out goes to. Come, stand up. Mary Makanda. Mary Makanda. Mary Makanda. Right, say hi Mary.
Hi, Mary.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Hey girl, thanks for watching.
Thank you. Hey.
We always see you down in the comment section, so we know that you're a regular watcher.
Kyla?
I know that you don't miss a vlog, so we appreciate all the love.
Mama and Papa. Very hard. Very hard. Very hard.
Come on! Mwah.
That's better?
That's a better.
Alright, Kyla. What you supposed to do now?
Say prayers.
I am
Go
fire.
sit.
That's it.
Sit. Sit and clasp your hands.
Mama, Papa, you bless me.
Pray to God.
We together with me. A good thing, amen.
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 Together with this house, and for Mama and Papa, and for all my family and friends. Amen.
Amen.
Good job.
Say night night, Fizz. See you guys tomorrow.
Allez, fais bisous à papa. Allez, dis papa.
Mama,
Yeah.
come with the Papa and Mama.
How many times you want me to bisou Papa?
Allez, fais bisous à ma chatte. Bisous à ma chatte.
No, normally this is mashallah. We this is mashallah.
I know.
Alright.
Papa.
No, that's not what he say. He say you're my snuggle body. Lay down, lay down. Lay down properly, please. Come on, lay down properly. I love you.
I love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Tomorrow.
I said tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, it's the end of the day. Like you can see, I'm alone. Baby's just after we put Tyler to bed, she started to feel tired, I guess. So she went to bed. She was active for the last 3 days, so I guess she just feel extra tired. She needed some rest, so yeah, she went straight to bed. So I'm gonna end the vlog tonight alone. I hope guys you had a wonderful day. Our day was good. Our day was relaxing. I'm gonna say my day was relaxing. Babe went to work, but now she's sleeping, so yeah, I hope she'll be good for tomorrow. So I hope you had a wonderful day too. Yeah, keep up and watch it. Catch it. You can do best stuff, baby, with this one. Woo. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.